A very good evening to all of you, to all the viewers. Thank you so much to spare some times for your lovely evening. All right. So my name is Mohamad Imaduddin bin Zainal Abidin. So I'm the presenter for voice activated event assistance. So in this video, I will explain the findings that related with the voice activated event assistance that in event industry, as we know that voice activated or any kind of advancement of technology is very important and significantly can lead to the positive impacts towards the event success. So for the today's topic, so we are talking about the voice activated event assistant, so that it will be enhanced the attendee experience and event efficiency as well. So as we know, when we're having this kind of technology in our event, with the current trends right now, with the evolution of technology, it will give a positive experience for the event attendee, and also will make the event run smoothly and efficiency. So together in this project, Muhammad Hafizi bin Zamri, Liyana Shamimi binti Mohamed Kamil, and also myself, Muhammad Imaduddin bin Zainal Abidin, as your presenter today. So we move on to the next slide. So before we are talking about the voice activated in the event as an event assistant, so we need to digging further about the current challenges. What are the difficulties or any challenges that facing by attendees and also event organizer as well in event. So particularly, we drop three major current challenges that we identified before. First is attendee struggles. So when this happen when the attendees of the events, or maybe the spectators, or maybe the audience, so having difficulty and they are quite struggle to finding any station or any direction, so they keep relying on the printed materials. So it's quite difficult for them to get a proper or maybe right direction to get to maybe to go to any places or any seminars or any area that they should go, that maybe they should involve in the event that they attend before. So when they just relying on physical or printed material, so it will lead to difficulty and also inefficiency of getting some information to get right information, or maybe to go to the correct venue. So this is one of the current challenges right now in event industry. And the second one is the organizer inefficiency. So high staff costs and outdated printed schedule. So as we know that printed version is just a traditional, or maybe it's all methods of organizing event, or maybe want to drop any information, because right now also we need to support our efforts, okay, the globe efforts, UN SDG. So we need to go forwards green environment, what so on and so forth. So this is the way how we try to tackle with this challenge by having assistance from the voice activated for the event. So why we are mentioned here organizer efficiency, it will be increase, or it will be adding on towards the cost of the event itself, towards the expenses, so that sometimes some of the printed version will be outdated, so it's not up to date. So it will it give the bad impact towards the event organizer itself when the attendees quite struggle. This second point related with the first point, whereby attendees having problem look at, or maybe want to get right information throughout the printed material. However, the printed material maybe sometimes will be outdated, or maybe it's quite messy and it's quite complicated for them to understand. So it will give, or it will lead to the bad image to the organizer, and it will also give the outcome as an organizer inefficiency. And the next for the current challenges is about the information gaps. Okay, lack of real-time updates and personalization. So information gaps. So when we are using the printed material, it's quite difficult for the event organizer to put all information inside in one sheet of paper. And it will, if you need another pieces of paper, so you need to adding on your cost and you will incur your expenses as well. So this is all the current challenges that we might think that it can be tackled or it can be overcome by the voice assistant. So our solution here, we provide three types of solutions, such as like voice interface. Okay, it will be more smart, real-time voice assistant, whereby it will based on our request. It will based on our what based on our needs. So it will be detect. It will be detection of our voice, what we want to find out. Example, you want to find plenary session at KLCC Hall. So they will lead you, they will give you a correct information based on the real time, and it will be no redundant or no reluctant on the voice interface. The second solution will be the event information. The event attendees, spectators, or others that attending the event, they will able to get correct information. They will able to get instant answer to event question. Okay, example, when they have maybe they are confused about something, confused about direction, so they can use the voice, or maybe they can get direct or instant information from throughout this kind of technology. And the next is about the accessibility. It will be available on multiple devices. It's not just you need to have a proper devices. Right now, all the smartphone or the laptop, so on and so forth, have this kind of the features. So the characteristic built in the devices. So it easy access for to get easy access to get a proper information about any information they are looking for about the event. So product overview, what it does. So it's about real-time, voice-driven access to event information, answer question about the session, location, speakers. So this is all the benefits that we gain when we involve the technology in our event. Okay, such as like a voice activated. So maybe during the session, maybe they would like to answer the question, or maybe they would like to ask the question. So they simply to get they simply will be assisted by this kind of technology. And it can be a key features here: voice recognition with NLP, multilingual support, interactive maps, and personalization. As we know, the evolution of the technology make everything is, and it will help. It's not just for the Malaysian context, it can be worldwide context. So everyone can use it, and everyone can use any kind of language, even though they are not speaking, they are not their mother tongue is not English, or they are not speaking in English, so they can speak in their mother tongue language. So this is very important. And the interactive map, so sometimes there are lots of sources that provide you with the interactive maps about it. So benefits, all right, for the attendees, it will be easy information access, seamless navigation, instant updates there, so attendees will able to get all the information instantly. All right, for the organizer, it will be reduced staff workload. So we don't need to focus more about printer. We need to have one of the we need to have one special department that need to manage all the printed version. They need to create the design, they need to create the information, they need to align, they need to manage all the information, they need to print out all the materials all and hands out. So it will reduce the staff workload, so that the staff can focus on the priority, can give the priority to the important things. It will improve satisfaction and also better engagement for the organizer. For the environment, for sure, it will align with the SDG goals. So we want to make it a green planet, and we try to we having advantage towards the less paper waste and also reduce carbon footprint. So I do believe UN SDG is not just for our planet, it's not just for our profit, and it's not just our people, it's all about our daily life. So this is the way how we want to contribute toward UN SDG goals. So technology stack. So we do have a few here. So first of all is about the voice recognition. Google Cloud speech to text or Amazon Alexa. So it's a voice recognition. Whenever you want to ask question, you don't need to type. It will, example, if you are driving towards to the event location, so you simply can just give the voice. You just talk to your phone, talk to any kind of devices, so it will give you an instant result. And also natural language processing, it will be dialogue flow or IBM Watson frameworks. Okay, event integration such as like Eventbrite, C Events, Vova platform. So there are so many event integration platform that can integrate with the technology that we are looking forward. And also user interface, so such as like mobile apps, wearable, or even badge. So it will be more, everyone right now, we can see that the population of the world, the population around the globe, it can be 95% or maybe 98%, everyone have a smartphone. So it'll be it's easy for them to communicate or maybe to deal with their own smartphone, such as like we do have a easy mobile apps to install. Okay, sometimes maybe wearable or maybe even badge that if you want to print out whatsoever. So it's easy for us. It's a user interface. Prototype demo. Okay, so look at here the user query. So what is the AI panel discussion? So if you have any inquiry, so you can use the voice recognition, you can use this kind of technology to ask. So you just directly to ask and they will show you the location, they show you your correct information that I mentioned before. Second, about processing, voice recognition and context analysis. So they will process whatever when they receive the direction or instruction from your voice or from your request. So they will process using like voice recognition, and they will analyze the context and respond. AI panel is in Hall B at 2 p.m. showing direction now. So this is the response that you will receive when you request throughout example, like you are voice activated or maybe you are voice recognition, you turn on it and you just ask the question, so they will respond to you after the process. So this is the prototype demo for it. And the market potential, okay, the target audience for this kind of technology, for sure, we are focused on the event attendees and organizers, and also for the industry impact, for the in-person and for the hybrid events. So when we talk about the hybrid events, we do have the physical people, you meet in person with the event attendees, and also in the same times you have online attendees, so that it can be industry impact. Okay, and competitive edge, so real-time voice versus manual navigation. So I do believe right now everyone have a smartphone, everyone has access to internet, so it's easy for them, okay, to use real-time voice or maybe this kind of technology compared to the manual navigation that sometimes they don't have any place to put their flyers, their poster, their infographic whatsoever in their bag. Even sometimes people go to the event, just they don't have any, they don't need to carry any bags or anything, so they are just having with them with maybe laptop or maybe just mobile phone, so they can get correct information, same like if you give the printed version. So business model here, it can be pay per event, charge organizer per event. Subscription sometimes maybe will be based on the subscription, monthly, annually, based on the event size, and also freemium. Okay, instead of premium, it will be freemium, basic free, premium feature speed. So that's mean, let's say you just want to use you are not frequently use this kind of technology, so you can you have the option to use the basic free, no need to pay. But if you are looking forward or maybe you are using in the long term period, so you can subscribe, or maybe you can pay the premium so that you can get other features towards this technology. So challenges and solution, voice recognition, advanced NLP models, so diverse accent training. Second is a privacy concern, encryption, GDPR compliance. So they are very protect your data, protect all the data will be protect the data of the attendees, the data of the organizer, or the data from anyone who are registered or anyone who are using the technology will be protected. They are more focused on the privacy concern. This is a big issue, and that we are looking forwards that every single country or every single event organizer try to strengthen this kind of their what we call their practice. Okay, so they try to make sure everyone will be covered and will be protected, especially for the privacy. And also system integration is a flexible APIs for the platform compatibility. So it's easy to will be compatible towards to all the devices, mobile apps that we have right now. The next step, the prototyping, complete MVP and initiate testing. So the next step, we need to come out after the prototyping, we need to complete the MVP, we need to initiate the testing. So we need to we need to do the test run, and we also can do the partnerships, all right, synergy partnership with collaborate with the event platforms such as like Eventbrite, any kind of other event software or event platforms that we have right now. Marketing and launch, so target large scale event first, and user feedback, gather data to refine the system. So even though we are using the technology, we still need to have some improvement, some improvisation. So we need a feedback. We need to run the feedback, the survey, the satisfaction survey, the engagement survey by the attendees towards the technology being used. So it's easy for us to gather the data and to refine the system, or maybe to improvise the system in the future, so that the system can be used more convenient and will be run smoothly when attendees using it. And the conclusion, so 100%, it's 100%, totally 100% convenient, seamless information access, 50% efficiency, staff workload will be reduction, and the most important, we are towards the green planet. It will be zero paper waste, sustainable event solution. So the technology give many advantage, many benefits towards the event success by providing the assistance such as like voice activated, voice recognition, any kind of AI tools. So it will help the event organizer, not only event organizer, the event attendees as well. So that, and in the same times, we will make our planet to be green again, and will be we will have this kind of element of sustainability events. So that's it for me. That's it from me. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you can have, if you have some question, so you can drop in my comment down there later. So if you also have some thoughts or some idea that you would like to share, that maybe you would like to let the other people know, so also you are welcome to freely to drop in my comment below. Thank you so much, and having a good day ahead. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening. Thank you so much.